In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put images side by side in Notion. This is a quick, reliable way to compare visuals. Create tidy galleries or make your pages look more professional without using any external tools. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything is clear so you can follow along confidently. First, create the layout. Click on an empty spot in your Notion page and type /. Then :2, all one word. Select the option that appears to create two columns. You should now see a left and a right column separated by a vertical dividing line. If nothing happens, make sure your cursor is on its own line with no other content. Then try typing the command again. Once the two-column layout appears, you are ready to place your images. Next, move your first image into the left column. If your images are already on the page, hover over the first image until you see the drag handle appear to the left of it. Click and hold that handle, then drag the image into the left column. Look for the blue guide that shows where the block will land and release when it snaps into place. If you accidentally drop it in the wrong spot, don't worry, just press undo and try again. Now, do the same with your second image for the right column. Click and drag the second image by its handle into the right column, and release when the blue indicator shows it's aligned correctly. At this point, both images should sit side by side, one in each column, forming a clean two-image layout. To fine-tune the look, adjust their widths. Hover your cursor over the dividing line between the two columns. When your cursor changes, click and drag the divider left or right to give one image more space and the other a bit less. Notion will automatically scale the images within their columns, so you can set a balanced, polished appearance. If you find the divider tricky to grab, move your mouse slowly along the center line until the resize cursor appears. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you are viewing the page on a narrow window or a phone, Notion may temporarily stack the columns, but your side-by-side layout will reappear on wider screens. And remember, if you ever move something by mistake, undo is your best friend. That's it, 2 columns, 2 images, and a simple resize. And you are done. Thanks for watching.